Fáilte roimh go fáil míle Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1 Topic a Hocht, Level A1 Topic 8, Rannóg Stadas oibre Cuid, Section 7, Work Status Part 2, ag díreach Labhairt, focusing on speaking. Lamuna Labhairt faoin Stadas oibre, speaking about work status. Ag fífrí de dhuine an daithnín a phost leis agus an cheist sin a ragart, asking someone do they like their job and answering that question. Cúrsaí a dhéanamh cineálacha oibre, describing work conditions. Ceist a chur faoi cineálacha oibre agus an cheist sin a ragart, asking a question about work conditions and answering that question. Ag fífrí de dhuine an bhfuil post áirithe aige agus an cheist sin a ragart, asking someone if they have a specific job and answering that question. Cén táimé, what time is it? Tá sé 5 tar éis a 3. It is 5 after 3. Tá sé 5 tar éis a 3. Or we can say, tá sé 5 in lia a 3. Tá sé 5 in lia a 3. So there are two ways we can say it. Tá sé 20 go dtí a 4. It is 20 to 4. Tá sé 20 go dtí a 4. Or we can say, tá sé 20 chun a 4. Tá sé 20 chun a 4. Cén táim, what time? Tá sé 4 tar éis. It is a quarter after. Tá sé 4 tar éis, a quarter after. Or we can say, tá sé 4 in lia. Tá sé 4 in lia. Tá sé leathuair tar éis. Tá sé leathuair tar éis. It's 4:30. Tá sé 4 chun. Tá sé 4 chun. It is a quarter to. Tá sé 4 go dtí. Tá sé 4 go dtí. So remember, we can use tar éis or in lia for after, chun or go dtí for to. Cúpla ceann eile, cén táimé. Tá sé 8 go dtí a 7. Cén táimé. Tá sé 29 go dtí a 1. Cén táimé. Tá sé 3 in nia an lí. Cén táimé. Tá sé 19 tar éis a 3. Cén táimé. Tá sé 22 go dtí a 2. Cén táimé. Tá sé 3 in nia a 5. Cad iad na huaireanta a oibríonn tú? What are the hours you work? Cad iad na huaireanta a oibrian tú. I'll have you repeat after me. Cad iad na huaireanta a oibrian tú. Oibriam gach lá ó na 8 go dtí a 5. Oibriam gach lá ó na 8 go dtí a 5. I work every day ó na 8 from 8 go dtí a 5 till 5. Oibriam gach lá ó na 8 go dtí a 5. Your turn to read it out loud. Oibriam gach maidin nó gach iarnóin. Oibriam gach maidin, I work every morning. Gach iarnóin, every afternoon. Oibriam gach iarnóin. I'll have you repeat after me. Oibriam gach maidin. Oibriam gach iarnóin. Oibriam I rith an lé. No, oibriam I rith na híthe. I work during the day or I work at night. Repeat after me. Oibriam I rith an lé. Oibriam I rith na híthe. Oibriam I rith an lé. Oibriam I rith na híthe. Cad iad na huaireanta a oibrian tú. What are the hours that you work? So we'll use this construction, oibriam ó go dtí a. And I'll give you some times below, so use the times to answer the question. Cad iad na huaireanta a oibrian tú. Oibriam ó a 7 go dtí an lí. Cad iad na huaireanta a oibrian tú. Oibriam ó leathuair tar éis 7 go dtí 4 tar éis 3. Cad iad na huaireanta a oibrian tú. Oibriam ó 4 go dtí 8 go dtí leathuair tar éis 5. Cad iad na huaireanta a oibrian tú. Cad iad na gná uaireanta oibre I do thír féin. What are the general or usual work hours in your country? Cad iad na gná uaireanta oibre I do thír féin. Freagar an ceist. Answer the question. Is iad na gná uaireanta oibre in éireann ná an lí go dtí a 5, agus bíonn an lán ag daoine idir 2 go dtí a 1, no idir a 1 go dtí a 2. So the usual work hours in Ireland are 9 to 5, and people usually have lunch between 12 and 1 or 1 to 2. An bhfuil sé mar an gcéanna I do thír féin? Is it the same in your country? An bhfuil sé mar an gcéanna I do thír féin? An ghlachann siad siesta. Do they take a siesta? An ghlachann siad siesta. Cén tám a thosaíonn agus a chríochnaíonn an lá scoile? What time do they start and finish the school day? Cén tám a thosaíonn agus a chríochnaíonn an lá scoile? An pá, an tuarastal. The pay, the salary. Pá, pay. Tuarastal, salary. An bhfuil an pá go maith. Is the pay good? An bhfuil an pá go maith. An bhfuil an tuarastal go maith. Is the salary good? An bhfuil an tuarastal go maith. Tá sé anmhaith. Tá sé anmhaith. It's very good. Tá sé measartha. No, tá sé réasúnta maith. It's okay, it's reasonable. Tá sé measartha. Tá sé réasúnta maith. Níl, tá an pá go dona. No, the pay is terrible. Níl, tá an pá go dona. I'll have you repeat each one after me. An bhfuil an pá go maith? An bhfuil an tarastal go maith? Tá sé anmhaith. Tá sé measartha. Tá sé réasúnta maith. Níl, tá an pá go dona. An pá, an tarastal. And now it's your turn to read the sentences out loud. Finish, freagar an ceist to answer the question. An bhfuil an pá go maith? Tá sé anmhaith. An bhfuil an tarastal go maith? An bhfuil an pá go maith? An bhfuil an tarastal go maith? An bhfuil an pá go maith? An bhfuil an tarastal go maith? Beidh an bhfuileog sever nó dever uait don gníomhaíoch seo. You'll need the handout rich or poor for this activity. Sever nó dever, rich or poor. Sever, dever. Aber, arishe, say it again after me. Sever, dever. Lei na habertí seo a leanas, read the following sentences. Scríobh do rábhad in na habertí sa bhosca le gach ceannacha. Read your choice of the sentences in the box for each one of them. For example, tá an pá anmhaith, the pay is very good. Tá an pá go dona, the pay is terrible. Tá an pá measartha maith, the pay is reasonably good. Tillim means I earn. Tillim, I earn. Má tá partner agat, if you have a partner. Fáil amach an rád the partner den túram ceanna. Find out if your partner had the same opinion. An sin, scríobh ceithre abart cosúil leis na habertí a haon go dtí a ceathair sna spás na cuí a cuaig go dtí a hocht. So then, write 4 sentences similar to the sentences 1 to 4 in the spaces number 5 to 8. Úsáid do Labhairt. Use your imagination. Tá focail ag ban an leathanach chun cabhrú leat más gá. There are words at the bottom of the page to help you if need be. Lei na habertí sin amach do the partner. Read out your sentences to your partner or your study buddy if you have one. Otherwise, read them out loud yourself. Beg nó arhí a thuairim a chur inniu. They'll need to give you their opinion. Scríobh isteach a thuairim nó a tuairim. Write in their opinion. Otherwise, write in your own opinion. Folklore. Spásara, an astronaut. Spásara. Aber say it. Spásara. Spásara. Astór, an actor. Astór. Repeat after me. Astór. Astór. Máinlia, a surgeon. Máinlia. Repeat. Máinlia. Máinlia. Colleen T, a maid. Colleen T. Colleen T. Dliador, a lawyer. Dliador. Dliador. Pelador, a footballer. Pelador. Aber Pelador. Pelador. Stáit Seirvisach, a civil servant. Stáit Seirvisach. Stáit Seirvisach. Stáit Seirvisach. Politeor, a politician. Politeor. Politeoir, politeoir. Le gan filleog Stadas oibre Cuid den gníomhaíoch seo. You'll need the handout My Career for this activity. Ceistena, questions. Cá bhfuil tú ag obair? Where do you work? Cá bhfuil tú féin ag obair? Where do you yourself work? So obviously the second one is in response to the first one. We use the emphatic form cá bhfuil tú féin ag obair or cá bhfuil tusa ag obair, where in English we would just emphasize the word. So I'll have you repeat after me. Cá bhfuil tú ag obair? Cá bhfuil tú féin ag obair? Cén táim a thosaíonn tú ag obair? What time do you start work? Cén táim a thosaíonn tú féin ag obair? Your turn. Cén táim a thosaíonn tú ag obair? Cén táim a thosaíonn tú féin ag obair? Cén táim a chríochnaíonn tú? What time do you finish at? Cén táim a chríochnaíonn tú? Cén táim a chríochnaíonn tú féin? What time do you yourself finish at? And I should repeat after me. Cén táim a chríochnaíonn tú? Cén táim a chríochnaíonn tú féin? An gcaitheann tú éide, a uniform. Do you wear a uniform? An gcaitheann tú éide. An gcaitheann tú féin éide. An gcaitheann tú féin éide. Repeat after me. An gcaitheann tú éide. An gcaitheann tú féin éide. And now I'll have you read each one of these questions. First the initial question and then the question in response. Ceistena eile, some more questions. An malat the first. Do you like your job? An malat the first? An malatsa the first? No, an malat féin the first. So I'll have you repeat after me. An malat the first? An malat féin the first? An bhfuil post buan nó sealadach agat? Do you have a permanent or temporary job? An bhfuil post buan nó sealadach agat? An bhfuil post buan nó sealadach agat féin? An bhfuil an turastal go maith? Is the pay good? An bhfuil an turastal go maith? An bhfuil an pá go maith? Cén post atá agat? What job do you have? Cén post atá agat? Cén post atá agatsa? Cén post atá agatsa? And now your chance once again to read the questions. First the initial question and then the response. Mocharam Ray, Idainer. So my career, and these are the directions if you're doing this by yourself. Idainer, on your own. Gach Garam Ray, Tom Yun Sonri, on Fusht, atá a gach fáil. So each card has the details of a job for each learner. Rannóg Iver, choose a number. Tóg Shall con the Sonri a leamh. So take a moment to read the details. An sin, Dian Iarach tú féin a chur anúil doing. Then make an effort to introduce yourself to us. Mar hampla, Iver seacht, is mise áine, is tamánaí bus mé. Aibríam le bus á clia. Is post buan é. Aibríam uaireanta a rihan lé agus uaireanta a rith na híche. Caham éide gurm. Is fual am ma fost. Mocharam ré. Grúpa. My career directions for the group activity. Ar gach garm ré tá mian sonraí an fuist atá ag gach fáilimneoir sa chluiche. So on each career card there are the details of a job for every learner in the class. Is é cospóir an chluiche ná duine a aimsiú a bhfuil an post céanna aige. So the objective of the game is to find somebody that has the same job as you. Che timpo agus cáisial ag chur ceistena na daoine eile. Take a while and spend some time asking other people the questions that we just covered. Mar hampla, for example, cá bhfuil tú ag obair? Where do you work? I monarcha, an bhfuil tú féin ag obair? Do you yourself work? Leanarai mar sin, continue like that using the questions that we just covered. Níl cead a gcuibh an cheist cén post atá agat a chur go dtí deire gach chomhrá. So you're not allowed to ask the question, what job do you have, until the end of the conversation. Leanarai go chur ceiste ar gach duine sa rang go dtí go aimsíonn siad a báirtí oibre. Continue asking questions of everybody in the class until you find your work partner. Moharm ré bert, so the directions for two people. Ar gach garm ré tá mian sonraí ar fust éigean. On each career card there are the details of a particular job. Rannóg gach duine iver idir hain go dtí a hocht, so everybody will choose a number between 1 and 8. Is é cospóir an chluiche ná post an duine eile a aimsiú trí cheist a chur nó arthaí. So the objective of the game is to find out the job of the other person by asking them questions. Níl cead agat an cheist cén post atá agat a chur ar an duine eile. You can't ask the other person cén post atá agat. Mar hampla, cá bhfuil tú ag obair? I monarcha, cá bhfuil tú féin ag obair? Nuair a cheapann tú go bhfuil a is agat, chur an ceist an mecneor tú ar an duine eile, no an fearneor tú. So when you think you know what they are, you can ask them the direct question, are you a mechanic? Are you a doctor? And so on. Agus shahiad na garam ré, and here are the careers. Banatí, Bonaltra a hain, so one nurse. Tamánaí bus, a bus driver. Montor a hain. Garda. Montor a dó. Mecneor. Agus Bonaltra a dó. So we have 2 teachers and 2 nurses. Aber grúpa, so group work, if you are working in a class. Den grúpi de hrúr nó chahar, make groups of 3 or 4. Ca gach fáilimneoir smuoinmh ar fust nach é a fust féin é. So each learner has to think about a job that's not their own job. Tá sigla fáilimneoir a bháin sa grúpa. Start with 1 learner in the class or 1 student. Ca gach duine eile sa grúpa ceistena a chur ar chuna áil amach cén post atá aige. So each person in the group has to ask them a question to try and find out what job they have. Mar hampla, cá bhfuil tú ag obair? Cá diad na huaireanta a aibríonn tú? An gahan tú éide? Nuair a cheapann fáilimneoir eile go bhfuil a is aige cén post atá ag an duine sin, deir siad an rúnaí tú, nó an dochtúir tú, nó an mecneor tú. So when a student thinks that they know what job they have, they can ask them the direct question. Má ragraíonn sé seo beag an seansan sin ag an bhailiúmór sin post a Rannóg agus ceistena a ragart an gcuid eile don grúpa go dtí go aimsíonn duine eile sa grúpa an post ceart. So if they answer yes, then that learner, student will have a chance to choose a career and answer questions from the rest of the group until they find out the correct job. Má ragraíonn an fáil inniuair níthe, leanan an grúpa ar aige tuairt bualadh faoi thuairim go dtí go aimsíonn siad an post an fháil. So if the person answers no, then the group continues giving guesses as to which job they think the student has. Leanan an gníomhaíocht ar aige go dtí go mbíonn seansa gach duine sa grúpa post a Rannóg agus ceistena a ragart faoi. So the activity continues until everybody's had a chance to choose a career or a job and answer questions. And obviously these are just suggestions of ways you can use this with a group. Agus sin deire le Rannóg seacht Stadas oibre, Labhairt buin Stadas oibre. Ag fífrí de dhuine an daithnín an fós leis agus an cheist sin a ragart. Cúrsaí a dhéanamh ar chanílacha oibre, ceist a chur faoi chanílacha oibre agus an cheist sin a ragart, agus ag fífrí de dhuine an bhfuil post áirithe aige agus an cheist sin a ragart. So asking someone, do they enjoy their job, and answering the question. You should be able to describe your work conditions, asking somebody about work conditions and answering that question, and asking and answering questions about a particular job. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nascan na Quizlet, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas do Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.